Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. Thank you. Those who are interested in freehand painting and other certificate courses can join online. Details are in the description below. This is sunflower done with bubble wrap in my live streaming videos. You can see my full video how to do it. Now I am doing the leaf part with the bubble wrap. The designs which I painted in live streaming are for sale and those who are interested can contact me to buy these designs. I have cut the bubble wrap into leaf shape and I am giving the impression. There are many courses which I teach online: acrylic, fabric, oils, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, origata flowers, and many more. Those who are interested in any of these courses can contact me. After giving the impression with bubble wrap, then with brush do the outlines as I did for the flowers. This design you can paint on dresses, saree borders and tops. In my short videos, you can see my designer fabric painting works and porcelain and many more other different variety of works. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos and techniques of painting. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.